There exist numerous terrifying entities in the cosmos that have the potential to disrupt our peaceful night sky. Among them, one of the most dreaded and invisible is the rogue black hole. Black holes themselves are already extremely formidable objects in the universe. However, they are also capable of traversing through space at incredible speeds. Through powerful explosions with uneven force, a black hole can be propelled at tremendous velocities, becoming an unstoppable force in space. These rogue black holes sound like a concept straight out of disturbing science fiction, but evidence suggests their existence. In 2017, a Japanese radio telescope captured an image of dust and gas remnants from a supernova. What makes this image particularly alarming is the enormous chunk of gas and dust that was displaced by something passing through its path. This disturbance spanned a size 6 times larger than our entire solar system. This occurrence is believed to be just one of many rogue black holes. In fact, it is possible that there is a black hole hurtling towards us at this very moment. Imagine a black hole, a cosmic leviathan, is coming towards Earth. If a supermassive black hole were to arrive, we would certainly know. It glows brighter than a star due to the immense heat generated by the tremendous speed of its orbiting ring of debris. Additionally, it's important to note that a supermassive black hole serves as the gravitational force that binds galaxies together. In such a scenario, you would most likely witness an entire galaxy moving towards you. We will likely have billions of years of advance warning, although even then there may be little we can do to prevent the destructive path of such a deadly force. However, let's say if it were to happen today, we would probably be gone by the time a massive black hole arrives in our closest solar system neighbors. Its deadly force wouldn't even need to come closer to wipe us out. Then what about smaller black holes? Even a black hole the size of a marble would possess enough gravitational power to destroy the Earth if it were to get too close. However, the most common type of black hole we have observed is the stellar black hole, which is the universe's ultimate predator. It doesn't announce its approach with a grand display or a bright flash in the sky. Instead, the stellar black hole silently creeps, making its presence known only through subtle shifts and alterations in the fabric of space-time. These black holes are typically smaller in size, spanning around 20 to 100 miles across. They typically have masses up to 20 times greater than our Sun, resulting in a gravitational pull 20 times stronger. Just try to imagine the mass of 20 suns compressed into an area smaller than California. So what would be the first signs that a black hole is on its way to our little blue planet? Well, the earliest indicators would likely be gravitational disturbances. Black holes are gravitational powerhouses with a pull so strong that not even light can escape once it crosses the event horizon. As the black hole gets closer, its formidable gravitational force would start to have an impact. Firstly, the Earth itself would start to feel the black hole's influence. Our planet's orbit around the Sun would be disturbed, seasons would become unpredictable, and the tides, influenced by the Moon, would become erratic. The very structure of the Earth could begin to change, buckling under the strain of the gravitational forces at play. The asteroid belts would start showering meteors onto the planets. Next, the moons of the planets, as well as the planets themselves, could be thrown out of their orbits or collide with each other. As the black hole gets closer, things would get even more catastrophic. There is a possibility that we could be engulfed by the Sun, or, if we are fortunate, slingshot out of our solar system if the black hole were to swallow the Sun first. In the worst-case scenario, the grip of the black hole could eventually reach our planet. As the black hole draws nearer, Earth's fate becomes grim. An ominous statement, yet one that perfectly encapsulates the reality of our situation if a black hole were to approach our planet. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so immense that it warps the very fabric of space and time around it. As it draws closer to Earth, the effects would be catastrophic. Initially, we'd see an increase in tides due to the black hole's immense gravitational pull. This wouldn't just be a slight rise in water levels. We're talking about tides so high they'd cause massive tsunamis, devastating coastal cities and communities. But the chaos wouldn't stop there. The extreme tidal forces would also affect the Earth's crust, leading to unprecedented seismic activity. Earthquakes of magnitudes never before recorded would rumble across the planet, tearing apart the very ground beneath our feet. As the black hole continues its approach, these effects would only intensify. The Earth might begin to stretch and deform, a process known as spaghettification. All living creatures that are unlucky enough to survive until this point and stand on the surface facing the black hole will start to feel immense gravitational force. Tall animals, trees, and humans alike will begin to experience spaghettification. With your head closer to the black hole than your feet, the force on your head becomes significantly stronger compared to your legs. This gravitational force will tear you apart into atoms, stretching you as you are sucked into the black hole until you reach the point of no return. The good news is that by that point, most living things would have already perished due to the first apocalyptic events, and they wouldn't have to witness their own bodies turning into pieces. Then our entire planet would be pulled apart piece by piece by the black hole's relentless gravitational pull. So if a black hole were heading our way, we wouldn't be able to survive, and we might not even know it's coming until it's too late. A chilling thought indeed, but one that underscores the raw, untamed power of the universe we inhabit. Black holes, these mysterious cosmic giants, are both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Yet these celestial phenomena remain a captivating subject of study, as long as we observe them from afar, of course. Black holes are some of the most enigmatic and fascinating objects in the cosmos. Remember, black holes are the building blocks for any galaxy, so in a way, black holes are one of the reasons we're here today. Let's just hope that none are heading our way anytime soon. But don't worry about black holes just yet. There are actually more immediate threats to our survival on this planet, with a higher likelihood of occurring. If you're interested in exploring the various possibilities of how the world could end this year, check out this video next.